दोस्तों, हमारे YouTube चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। जैसा कि आप सभी अभ्यर्थियों को मालूम है कि आज 12.4 पर फैसला आने वाला है और साथ में सभी अभ्यर्थियों को ये भी देखना है कि जजेस क्या फैसला देंगे। आप सभी अभ्यर्थियों के लिए ये वीडियो हम लाइव डाल रहे हैं कि हाई कोर्ट में क्या हुआ है और आप सभी इस वीडियो के माध्यम से समझ जाएंगे कि 12.4 पर क्या फैसला आया है।
Your Lordship. Reported judgment.
Yes, you see, there is this of the Supreme Court in Chhaya versus State of Maharashtra. That is squarely on
It's
this.
squarely covered, Lordship.
No, squarely on the point, but there is a caveat to that,
Hello.
which is C para 32 of that judgment.
Yes.
That the appellants who admittedly are more meritorious than the last selected judge cannot be excluded from consideration in the absence of any express prohibition in the recruitment rules.
Yes. There is
These recruitment rules, there is an express prohibition.
no rules.
No, not
This
the rules.
my lord.
2024, please see 2024 rules. Express prohibition.
No rules.
No, not
This
the rules.
my lord.
2024, please see 2024 rules.
My lordship, this is not a rule. This is a परीक्षा नियम है, my lord.
Yes, yes.
उसी के अंदर देखेंगे, my lord.
Employment notification.
Noted, rule stroke notification.
Employment notification.
Notification say, yes, use the mic please.
Yes. Not we have
Stroke notification,
Employment notification.
notification say, yes, use the mic please.
yes. Not we have gone through this judgment, not, and we would like to address on these issues also, not on some date of a near future, not on 15th, 16th, any time, not. We will argue it out. Fine.
Because the only issue is,
Yes.
if this
Because-
rider was not there,
Yes.
then they should have squarely applied.
Because the rules oblique notification is there.
Yes.
So whether the notification has been issued in commensurate with the recruitment rules or not, and whether the notification will prevail over the statutory laws or not, that has to, we have to argue it a lot on that issue. That's why
That
we
is what
want
was
some time.
extensively argued. Said this matter has been listed for a clarification in view of the fact that while filing written submissions after the judgment was reserved, Learned Counsel for the petitioner has placed reliance on a judgment of the Supreme Court in Chhaya versus State of Maharashtra 2026 SCC online SC 457, which judgment was pronounced after the case was reserved. Thus, we have listed the case for
Not in written submission. Later on he
uploaded. No, in
written submission में नहीं था ये.
After having result के बाद वहाँ से order.
Written submission में it was not referred. Later on he uploaded.
Yes.
Yes.
उसको वो modify करता was later uploaded. Accordingly, we listed the matter for clarification. Now, who's appearing for the respondent? So you will also have to address us on this. At request of counsel for the parties, list for hearing on. And Learned Counsel for the parties pray that they need some time to address arguments on the said issue. All right, list on 15th April 2020.
15.
It may be taken up in week commencing 20th.
Either on fixed date,
Won't be able
20th.
to. Sorry?
Either on 20th or 21st, not any time.
See,
They have
that
some
week is going to be
difficulty. They have
difficult.
some person.
We are now closer to vacations. Every day matters are getting
Just
going on.
20th, Lord.
Lordship,
We request
Annexure
for only
P1 में ही already इसमें लिखा हुआ describe your lordship. That is not a big issue.
Matter of factly argument will not help.
My lord.
Matter of factly they will also say this is the writer. But you see, we have to decide in law.
Yes.
तो Annexure P1 में
तो
lordship
आयोग
अरे भाई आगे
तारीख पे बताइए कौन सी तारीख चाहिए. Don't argue on the matter.
Week commencing 20th.
कैलेंडर दिखाओ. किसको बिठाना लग गया? 27 केस 20 को लगा कर और 20th April.
All right.
29 कौन सा है?